Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alex E Academy Nawab Shah. Today we learn about AI. AI, artificial intelligence. Technology refers to the development of computer systems and algorithms that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI technology encompasses a wide range of subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and more. It aims to create intelligent systems capable of perceiving, reasoning, learning, and problem-solving. Benefits of AI technology. Automation and efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks, enabling businesses to improve efficiency, productivity, and cost savings. It can handle large volumes of data and perform complex computations quickly and accurately. Decision-making. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide valuable insights for decision-making processes. This helps businesses and organizations make informed choices and optimize their operations. Personalization. AI enables personalized experiences by analyzing user behavior and preferences. It powers recommendation systems, personalized marketing, content curation, and tailored user interfaces, enhancing customer satisfaction and engagement. Improved healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling faster and more accurate diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. It can analyze medical images, interpret patient data, and assist in disease prediction, leading to better patient outcomes. Enhanced customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide round-the-clock customer support, answer queries, and assist with basic tasks. Natural language processing allows these systems to understand and respond to human interactions, improving customer service and reducing response times. Advanced research and development. AI technology facilitates scientific research and development across various disciplines. It helps scientists analyze complex data, simulate models, and discover new patterns, accelerating progress in fields such as astronomy, genomics, climate science, and more. Improved safety and security. AI systems can monitor and analyze data from multiple sources, enabling enhanced security measures. It aids in detecting anomalies, identifying potential threats, and mitigating risks in areas like cybersecurity, surveillance, and fraud detection. Autonomous systems. AI is at the core of autonomous vehicles, drones, and robots. These systems can perceive their environment, make decisions, and act accordingly, leading to advancements in transportation, logistics, and manufacturing industries. Accessibility and inclusion. AI technology has the potential to create more inclusive societies by providing assistance to people with disabilities. It can help individuals with visual or hearing impairments, cognitive disabilities, or mobility limitations to access information, communicate, and interact with the world more easily. Innovation and economic growth. AI technology fuels innovation across industries, opening up new possibilities and opportunities. It has the potential to drive economic growth by creating new jobs, transforming industries, and enabling the development of novel products and services.